Yo, what's up guys? Let me show you how to change the color of that little car that shows up on the dashboard. This is a 2018 Nissan Altima SR. So what you gotta do is press this little square right here. Press it again. What you want to do is go to settings right here in this little settings circle. Now go all the way down. Right here, you go down on here. Body color. So you press enter. It shows white. Let's go up. We got silver, white, gray, black, beige, red, brown, blue. Let's change color. Let's see how it goes. So let's go back. There you have it. Blue color. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna put it back to white, because that's the closest it'll get to pearl white. Body color. Going back to white. Now press enter. So you go back, pressing this button, and go straight to the main menu. And that's how you do it, guys. So hope you like it. Like, subscribe, comment, hit them up my way. Questions, and I'm glad to answer you back. So peace.